Crash course on Saskatchewan Province, Canada. Saskatchewan is a province located in central Canada, known for its vast landscapes, prairie fields, and vibrant culture. Let's explore its various aspects. Geolocation. Saskatchewan is situated in the western part of Canada, bordered by the provinces of Alberta to the west, Manitoba to the east, and the Northwest Territories to the north. Capital. The capital city of Saskatchewan is Regina. It is a vibrant city with a rich history and serves as the cultural and commercial hub of the province. Population. As of the latest available data, Saskatchewan has a population of around 1.18 million people. The province has a diverse population with various ethnic backgrounds, including Indigenous peoples, British, German, Ukrainian, and more. Economy. Saskatchewan's economy is primarily based on agriculture, mining, and energy resources. It is known as the breadbasket of Canada, due to its significant agricultural output, including wheat, barley, canola, and lentils. The province is also rich in mineral resources like potash, uranium, and oil, which contribute to its thriving mining and energy sectors. Education. Saskatchewan has a well-developed education system with numerous universities, colleges, and research institutions. The University of Saskatchewan, located in Saskatoon, is a renowned institution known for its research programs and contributions to various fields. Brief history. The history of Saskatchewan dates back thousands of years, with Indigenous peoples residing in the region long before European settlement. The area saw significant fur trade activities and explorations by European traders and explorers in the 18th and 19th centuries. Saskatchewan became a province of Canada in 1905. Cultures and politics. Saskatchewan is a multicultural province with a diverse range of cultures and traditions. Indigenous cultures and their contributions are an integral part of the province's identity. The province has a parliamentary-style government, and its politics involve various political parties, including the Saskatchewan Party and the New Democratic Party. Now, let's move on to some interesting stories or examples that highlight Saskatchewan's uniqueness. 1. The RCMP musical ride. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police, RCMP, musical ride is an iconic spectacle that showcases horsemanship skills and precision. This renowned performance takes place in Regina and features a choreographed routine by the RCMP's finest riders. 2. The tunnels of Moose Jaw. Moose Jaw, a city in Saskatchewan, is famous for its underground tunnels. These tunnels were initially built for various purposes, including steam pipe systems and storage areas, but later gained notoriety during the Prohibition era as secret meeting places for bootleggers and gangsters. 3. The Great Sandhills. Located in southwestern Saskatchewan, the Great Sandhills is a unique and mesmerizing natural attraction. This vast expanse of sand dunes covers over 1,900 square kilometers and provides visitors with a surreal desert-like experience in the middle of the prairies. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions of Saskatchewan Province. 1. Prince Albert National Park. This national park offers breathtaking landscapes, lakes, and forests, perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife spotting. 2. Winuskewan Heritage Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Winuskewan showcases Indigenous culture, history, and archaeology. Visitors can explore ancient teepee rings, enjoy cultural performances, and learn about the rich heritage of the region. 3. Grasslands National Park. Situated in the southern part of the province, this park features vast grasslands, rugged hills, and unique wildlife. It offers opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and stargazing. 4. Saskatoon. The largest city in Saskatchewan, Saskatoon, offers a vibrant art scene, beautiful riverfront parks, and a charming downtown area. 5. Regina. The capital city is home to several attractions, including the impressive Legislative Building, the Royal Saskatchewan Museum, and the beautiful Wascana Centre Park. 6. Cypress Hills Interprovincial Park. Straddling the border between Saskatchewan and Alberta, this park offers stunning landscapes, outdoor recreational activities, and a chance to observe unique flora and fauna. 7. Athabasca Sand Dunes Provincial Park. Located along the shores of Lake Athabasca, this park boasts the largest active sand surface in North America. Visitors can explore the dunes, go fishing, or spot rare wildlife species. 8. Moose Mountain Provincial Park. Situated in the southeast part of the province, this park is a popular destination for camping, hiking, and water activities. It offers picturesque landscapes and serene lakes. 9. Castle Butte. This natural landmark is a massive rock formation rising out of the surrounding prairie. It offers panoramic views of the surrounding area and is a popular spot for hiking and photography. 10. Fort Battleford National Historic Site. Step back in time and explore this historic site that played a significant role in the Northwest Resistance of 1885. Visitors can tour the fort, learn about the events that took place, and experience life in the late 19th century. 11. Saskatchewan Science Centre. Located in Regina, this interactive science museum features hands-on exhibits, live demonstrations, and an IMAX theatre, providing an educational and entertaining experience for visitors of all ages. 12. Winuskewan Heritage Park. This previously mentioned park deserves a spot on this list as well due to its significance in preserving Indigenous heritage and offering immersive cultural experiences. In summary, Saskatchewan Province in Canada offers a diverse range of attractions and experiences. From its rich history and multicultural identity to its breathtaking natural landscapes and vibrant cities, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Ending note: start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.